Okay, guys, so welcome back. I'm currently watching these two positions. I will end the first one, and the second one would be break even, I think. So the first one is actually a credit spread on Tesla. It's gonna be terminated in 3 or 4 days. If we go to the analysis mode here, we can see we are deeply in the profit. Like every day, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna be more in profit because Theta is working with me, not against me. So actually, it's a very good trade. I'm thinking to cut it here because there is the gamma risk for it to go to that downside, and I want to use the money, the buying power in another trade. So actually, the market's gonna open in 2 minutes here, Spain time. If we go to the dashboard, that's the small account that we have been trading. A very small account. We're starting with like 72, $75 and to have reached a max peak of 700. That's crazy profit, a huge percentage, of course. And you need to know, if you're trading like this, you need to know of the risks involved. But yeah, I've been doing this for so many years now, so it's not, I like, if you're gonna start like you're a beginner, you're not gonna achieve this, just to not lie to you or something. um, so we're gonna do a small live session here, a very very small one, where I'm gonna close the trades live to show you how easy it is collecting money with options once the market opens in 1 minute. Of course, TC Trades doesn't provide any back testing for the meantime for today. So this is a real account because they don't have backtesting. Don't worry, they don't have paper money. And yeah, we're gonna wait for the market to open, basically, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna close the position. So let me cancel the order. Working pre-market cancel. Yeah, okay. Will likely be okay. It's because we're in pre-market. So once the market open here, I'm gonna see the profits. Okay, it just opened basically. So let's see how are we doing in the position right now. The position is currently on profit. Okay. So if I try to close position here, let me close the full. I'm gonna be getting 100. Oh, 225. Okay. Let me just edit a little bit the mid power because I don't like it. Yeah. Let's see if we can get a fast fill here. I don't think so. Okay. It's because the pre-market's gonna be crazy. Okay, let's see. It's currently in 120. As you saw in the beginning, it was like at 250 or something. So for the risk of this video, I'm not gonna close right now. That's because it's currently, I think, moving because of the first minutes in the market. So we're gonna wait. And in the meantime, I think I'm gonna close this break even. So let me see. The volume on this one is so bad. Let me try to put on break even here for this one. And for this one, I think we're gonna get the fill easy. Easy peasy. While slowing, I will show you the reason behind this trade. It's a very easy reason and very good one. So if we go to the chart of Tesla, we see this huge supply and demand zone that everyone was thinking, okay, Tesla's gonna double bounce and go for downside. But because of my analysis on this trade, I think it's gonna be just tricking the people and then going for the upside. Actually, we bought in a very good price. We bought around this level right here. So we bought here like a pin trade, very, very low minimal drawdown, and went for the upside. During credit spreads, it has a huge advantage of us because when the time passes, like as you can see, I don't need the price to go even for the upside. Every day is gonna pass from here. So let's pause the day simulation. Every day I'm gonna win more. So actually two things are working in your favor, which is the time and the price. Not only the directional trades like on normal stocks or forex, but here actually you can win when the price is actually moving around. So I'm seeing the P&L is going crazy now. So let me see if yeah, we need to get filled here. Yeah, it's going for the mid price. It's gonna fail soon. So yeah, so actually I'm collecting around 56-60% here. I don't want to get greedy because I'm gonna use the buying power in another trade. But yeah, as you can see here, guys, we have a very high pop, 73% of win rate. And yeah, during going back to the analysis, we bought here because I'm thinking that the price is gonna just trick the people, like for go for downside. And because but we have the huge institutions levels around here, huge institutions, huge liquidity over here. Everyone shorting Tesla is crazy. Okay, just got filled. As you can see, it got filled, and we have the buying power here. Amazing fill. It was gonna be filled anyways, and I'm gonna use the trade, the money, the buying power in another trade here. So yeah, as you see, options are pretty easy if you understand it. If you want to understand options more, make sure to subscribe. I will be uploading more educational videos about how to trade it and how actually we have an incredible advantage and incredible edge in it. That's it, and see you soon.